Hi guys, thank you for joining me again for another video. In today's video I'll be doing my hair and I'll be showing you how you can achieve this nice jumbo rope twist hairstyle. So my hair was already washed and I was just detangling it, and then I'll now do the sections to begin the process. I am currently starting from the back, where I'm making the first section from the back. And this is how it looks. I just used the rubber band, I think, just to have that section tucked away, and I am now moving to the front to have that section completed. Guys, you don't have to be a neat freak like me. I wanted to ensure that it was neat as ever, so it did take me some time to get these sections completed. There I go, I'm just twining it to get it out the way. And then I'll move to the middle section next. In total I had 3 horizontal section parts going across. And I'm just twining them to get them out of the way. Okay, there I am fixing the part again. I'm just twining to prevent them from being tangled again. Alright, so now we move to the front section. I wanted 6 before I go there, those are rubber bands that I'm going to use. So this is actually the rubber band method. So what I do is to put the rubber bands in oil. The oil was actually oil that I made. It has in shea butter, castor oil, as well as aloe vera. So I just added some extra castor oil to it, and now just mixing the last. I can probably show you, do a video showing how I made that hair oil. So you know to get that center part, you have to start from your nose, go from your nose and go all the way up. So that's what I'm basically doing. So as I said, I'm going to do the rubber band method. I'm going to actually show you 2 ways how to do the hair using the rubber band method. Again, I'm just detangling the hair. It should be 3 on one side and 3 on the other side. As I section the hair, I still put the oil on my scalp because I don't want the hair to be dried out when it's in braids. I'll use my hairpin to tuck away that at the side. Next, I get my edge control. This is just the normal edge control. That's so that any wholesale or haberdasher shop or hair store. And you get your handy toothbrush to brush in your edges, just to ensure that when you're doing your ponytails, they're neat as ever. So that's what I'm basically doing now with my edge control. And I use the Xpression Braids. I actually use 2 packs of Xpression Braids. So I forgot to open the pack, so I'm opening the pack right now. So it's actually in a big plait. I'm just unraveling it. Then I'm gonna make where the rubber band is. I was trying to get it off, but it wouldn't come off, so I just used the scissors to cut it off. And you're gonna cut right there in the middle of the hair to separate it. Then this hair did not come pre-stretched, so I had to stretch it to ensure that I got ends, so I could twine it out properly. So that's what I'm basically doing here now. So we're going to continue with the process again, controlling the edges since I forgot to open the packet of hair. Alright, so the first way I'm going to show you how you can get the braids in. For this one, do not make a ponytail. You're going to separate the hair in two and then put the braid in between like I'm doing now. Then use the same rubber band to make a ponytail with the hair inside. Once you're through with making the ponytail, do not make the ponytail too tight because you don't want to damage your hair. And that's another reason why we oil the rubber bands, because sometimes when your hair gets dry, it might cause breakage when you try to oil the rubber bands. Once you're through with making the ponytail, you pull the hair to ensure it's tight. Not too tight to give you a headache, but tight enough to hold in the braid and to ensure that it looks neat. Then you just go ahead and start braiding. So you separate your hair half to one side of the braid and half to the other side of the braid, and you just start braiding. Yeah, so the hair was too long, so I had to improvise with my teeth. Alright, so moving on to the second style, the second way of how you can get the braids in your hair. And again, I'm just oiling my scalp, detangling the hair. My hand and toothbrush again to control those edges. Then you're just going to make a ponytail using the rubber band. Remember, do not make the ponytails too tight, but ensure it's comfortable enough for you to function properly and the hair not being too tight. So now we have our ponytail. We're now gonna use our handy crochet needle to put the hair in. So I'm just trying to get that little section as small and fine as possible. You put it on the hair, close the hook, and then pull that through your hair. When pulling through though, you're not going to pull through the entire hair. You're going to hold one in the left hand or right hand, whichever hand you're using, and then pull through half of it with the other hand. I'm sorry, this probably doesn't look clearer, but once I'm through, you'll see exactly what I did. So there we go. So now we have it all the way through. Once this is done, you try to ensure that the hair is evened, and then you're supposed to pull back down the hair to tighten back where the rubber band is. And then you just separate your hair with the braid and you just twine. So those are the two options that you can use to install the braids into your hair. So there you have it. Those are the two styles. So I just went ahead and completed all the braids. Because for the interest of time, I chose to do the crochet needle method. And then this is the final one that I'm now showing you. You insert it, pull it tighter with your hair, and then just go ahead and rope twist. In total, I had 19 or 20 braids. I think it was 20 braids for this style. Also, I had to fix back that one because it was unraveling. Guess I didn't braid it tight enough. So not looking bad so far, huh? Do you see the back? It's looking nice actually. Remember, you don't have to do it this long. You can always cut your braid shorter. Yeah, this braid is also unraveling. I apologize for that. Alright, so I'm just trimming up the hair now, getting all those spikes out from the braids. That was the very first braid that I did and I didn't like how it looked, so I pull it out, so I'm now retwisting it. Alright, so Xpression braids, it's easy to be tangled. So each time you're twisting, you have to ensure that you pull the hair all the way through to the end, or else you'll have a whole lot of tangling for this braid. So I must continue my trimming process. Yes guys, I'm a lefty. You may see me holding the scissors weird or braiding weird. That's because I use my left hand. If you're not able to do this properly, you could probably get help from somebody because you don't want to mistakenly cut the braid. So you can always seek help from somebody to do the trim up. I was just checking how even the ends were. So now guys, I was actually hot watering my hair. I'm sorry that you weren't able to see the process better. I didn't know I was so low down from the camera. But I was basically, you could see the steam coming up. I was hot watering the ends. So try to get it down as deep as possible into the water. And be careful not to burn yourself while doing so. Alright, so I'm just trying to get some of the excess water out of the hair. And so here we have the finished product. Not so bad. I just accessorize it with some gold, what do you call those, studs? I'm not sure. But yeah, this is a finished product, guys. You should do it yourself and tag me when you do so. Or send me pictures rather once you do so. I hope you enjoyed this little video, guys. Don't forget to like, to comment, to share, and to subscribe.